A lot of businesses these days use AI chatbots on their website, but it creates a difficulty to actually verify the person that they are communicating with is actually a customer or not. That's why they use WhatsApp to communicate with their customers. So in this video, we're going to build a WhatsApp sales AI agent that is capable to answer all of the customer queries within seconds. It is capable to qualify the customer, notify the admins, and also answer all the relevant information from the knowledge base of the company. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. Now, the tool that I'm going to use to build this system WhatsApp AI sales agent is going to be chatbotbuilder.ai. Now, this is an amazing tool to build an AI chatbot. Now, I've made previous tutorials on this platform, but if you're new to this platform, all you need to do is head over to chatbotbuilder.ai, sign up. Now, I've already created an account, so I'm going to show you how the whole setup looks like. So, when you head to flows, in the flow section, all you need to create add a flow. So when you click on add a flow, you'll be able to add a flow. So I've already created a flow before that's named as AI message. It's the AI message that will basically be considered AI message. So what this AI message contains, it contains the information about what I want the AI to do. So it basically says the AI, you are a support agent for Vivo marketing. Your task is to help customers of your marketing to get their questions, inquiries off. You must follow a friendly tone. Always use emojis in your responses. Your task is to smartly identify whether the person is looking for services or they are just looking for some questions to get their solved. If the person is looking for some simple questions, it will be capable to answer all of the questions about their company and their services. But if the person is looking to actually is interested in the services, what an AI will do, it will qualify their customers. Now, what I did over here is basically set a qualifying criteria. So AI will basically ask the user like how much the revenue they have, how many employees do they have, where they are actually based, and if the user match all of these criteria, what the AI will do is basically run a function. Now, I'll explain how you can set up the function in detail as well. So after that, it will set a new function and it will start a new flow. Now, after the person meet all the requirements of the company, we'll run the function. Now, this function will basically send them a booking link where the user can go and book a call with us. And after that, will be updated in our CRM. Now, you can set any CRM as you want. You can use Go High Level, you can use HubSpot, and you can use Klaviyo, anything as you like. But on this video, I'm going to make it very, very simple. That's why I'm using Airtable as my CRM. And the reason why I'm using Airtable, because we are just sending our data over to the Airtable with the help of using makecom. Now, you can use APIs to actually send that data to Airtable as well. I have a previous video on how to make API calls. You can go check it out. It's very simple to actually make API calls. Now, heading over to chatbotbuilder.ai. Now here, and at the end, I basically added all the information about the Vivo marketing. So that's basically a marketing company in the USA and UK. And I've added all the information about what their services are, what their company phone number is, contact number is, where they are actually based, where their headquarters is, and etc. etc. Now, and case study. So this is basically the knowledge base of the company that I used from ChatGPT. Now, you can use any business as you like. Now, this is just an example one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on continue. Now here we're going to create a function. So what that function will do is basically trigger a flow that will send the information to our CRM and also will send the booking link to the user. So what I'm going to do is head over to flows, head over to settings. Now in the settings bar, created one function. So I'm just going to show you how you can create one as well, similar to that. So in the integration section, if you head over to OpenAI, now it will be turned on. Your task is to make sure to turn this off. You might see some errors. And the function sections, click on functions. So you'll see a dashboard like this. So I've already created a function at book a call. Now make sure to name the function just like what you actually want it to do. For example, if you want the function to send them an appointment link, so you can name the function as send appointment link of your own choice. So here, when you click on add, now here you will name as the function name. So you can write book a call. And here you will basically specify what the function will usually do. And here we'll create a flow and the flow will be sent. Now we'll create a flow right now. So I've actually created already. So I'm going to show you how this actually looks. So when you click on book a call, and here if you go to edit, and so basically the name of the function is book a call. And this is very simple, that allows user to book a call. and we are sending a call flow that is named as book link. Now we're going to show you the setup of how the book link works. So I'm going to click on continue and head over to flows. And here in the flow section, you can see there will be a book link. Now you don't have any information in updating CRM. Everything is inside this. So when a person actually books a call, we'll send it to the OpenAI nodes. So what the will do, classify all the information we gathered into specific variables. For example, here from the chat history, that whatever the person that's spoken with the chatbot, it will use the chat history that to identify what the person interested in. Now in the second section, we're gonna identify what their company revenue number is. We're gonna identify what the company based, where the company they're based in, and etc., so that we can understand that the customer is qualified to our own needs. So we will save that in a specific variable. Now you can choose the variable as you like. You can even name that. Now make sure to remember this variable, because we're gonna store that information in this variable, and then we're gonna send this information to make.com, and that will basically go to Airtable. So this is very simple to build up. So what we're gonna do is set up make.com with chatbot.ai. So here we're gonna head over to make.com, create a new scenario, and what we're gonna do is name. We're gonna search webhooks. Now with the help of this, you can actually send data to any app as you would like to. So basically, we'll create a webhook. And here we'll set it to custom webhook, and we can create a new one. So we don't need anyone, so I'm going to create a new one. And you need to copy this address to this clipboard, head over to chatbot.ai. Now here we'll click on send message. So and if you go to add content actions, so you'll be able to see external API requests. So I've already connected that over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send that, paste that same URL that we just built over here. Now we're going to click on save. So as soon as that is done, now what we're going to do is make sure to set it to post. It would already be get, so you need to set it to post, because we are sending the data, we are not getting the data from them. Now in the make.com, now what we need to do is connect our Airtable to that. So we're going to connect Airtable, and I'm going to set as a create a record. So here it will basically ask for your API key. So to identify where your Airtable based API key would be, so you can head over to Airtable. So to get the API key for Airtable, head over to your website, this page. Now go to Builder Hub, and in the Builder Hub, you will be able to get the API key that you actually want. So click on personal access token, create new token. And here you'll name anything as you want. Now add a scope, so you need to select every single one of them one by one. And access, you need to select the one that you've actually created. So I've actually already created one and actually connected it to my Airtable, so I don't need it anymore. So I'm gonna go back, and here we will select the untitled base that we have, and the table. So table is 1, because we are using the table 1 over here, and we should be able to get their name, phone number, service interest, revenue, location, employee count. So what we need to do is now save, click on OK, and our most of the part is done now. Now what we need to do is first send the data, so that we can set it to a specific record column, and it should go in a perfect column. So when you head over to chatbot.ai and the external API request, you will go at the body. Now here we will set all the variables that we are actually collecting. So what these variables are is basically their full name, their phone number, and this result 0 is basically the one that we are collecting and sorting over here with the help of OpenAI. So what this result 0 is basically the service, the name of the service that they are interested in, and the result 1 will be some like where it was the revenue of the company. So we are storing it in a variable. So I've just set that up over here, and if I go to the body response, so you can name it this as anything as you like, but make sure that the variables are accurately correct. Now what we're going to do is click on save, make sure it's always on closed, click on save, and here I'm just adding a GIF over here. So this is basically a GIF, how you can add it. So basically when you click on add content, you can add a GIF of your own choice, and after that over here you will write the text. So if you add content, and add button. And in the button, you can open a website that will basically your uh, calendar link. So I basically pasted my calendar link over here. So I can show you over here. So this is my calendar link. So whenever a person click on this button, they will be sent to this. And after this, so we are sending this information to a CRM with the help of external API request. And in the end, we are notifying the admin. So whenever a lead is done, this message has been sent, I will receive a Gmail that saying that, yeah, there's a new lead on this account. So all we need to do is click on publish. So what we need to do now is select this flow as in our function. So we will head over to settings and go to integration, the integrations and the open functions, integrations, OpenAI functions, and over here select the flow that we actually just created in the functions. And the functions, we'll select the flow triggered as the flow that we just selected. So there is flow triggered, and we need to click on continue. Now head over to flows again. Now in the flows, go to AI message that we actually created. And here in OpenAI, when you click on functions, so you make sure that you select the one that you actually created. Now head over to the home pages again. Now here we'll set this flow. So this is basically our AI message flow. We need to set it as a default AI knowledge base. So how we can do it is head over to settings and select that default reply to AI message. So you will see as over here as a none, and we just create a new account, but you need to select it as AI message. Click on save, and now our most of the AI part, the setup of the AI is perfectly done. Now what we need to do is connect our WhatsApp to chatbot.ai. So how you can do it? It's pretty simple. Head over to channels. Now click on WhatsApp. Now click on connect. Now basically over here you will be able to see WhatsApp. So now what we need to do is click on continue. Now make sure your phone number is not connected, must not be connected to any WhatsApp business number or a WhatsApp private number. Number should be totally new to WhatsApp. If it's connected, you can go delete your account and then come back and then actually set this up. Otherwise, you might see some errors. So I'm going to log into my Facebook page. So it's going to take to my Facebook page. I'm going to click on get started. And here you will create a new business profile information that will be, so I have already created some of them. So I'm going to create a new one. And here I will just name it as the marketing again. Marketing. You can set it to anything as you like. This is my personal email address. And we will set it to United Kingdom. And this will be our AI.io website. And this is done. Everything is done. Click on next. Well, simply all you need to do is just fill in the form. And after that, all you need to do is add your phone number over here. And when you add the phone number, you will receive a text message of OTP. So this is OTP, and you need to add that phone number OTP on like one-time password verification password over here. So that one-time verification password over here, so that it will directly be able to connect to chatbot.ai. You don't need to verify any WhatsApp business APIs, and everything will be done automatically. So here we'll set the name to business on name. Rework marketing. Category, you can select the friends and other. And here you will basically add your phone number. So basically all you need to do is select your phone number over here. So I actually have connected my phone number already. So if I add my phone number over here again, it will basically, if I add my phone number over here again, it will basically show an error that the phone number is already connected to this other account. But what I'm going to do is connect it to existing number. So I'm going to quit this. I'm going to connect to an existing WhatsApp business account. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click on connect, continue. And here I will basically select the one that I have already connected my phone number to. So that is actually Sula Twitters. And all you need to do is confirm, and your chatbot will be easily connected to this Sula Twitters. Continue. When you continue like this, you will see a framework like this, and you will be able to finish. And your phone number will be visible over here. And you can connect multiple phone numbers of your own choice, and you can select one of them. But I've connected only one of them. So I'm going to click on connect. And our phone number is now connected. Also, by the way, I'm going to delete this phone number anyway. So good luck on sending messages from this phone number. And so now our next step is making a WhatsApp widget site. So how we can do it? It's very, very simple to actually build that one for you. So what we're going to do is just tell ChatGPT that we would like to create a function like this, and ChatGPT will literally create a whole chatbot for us. So go head over to ChatGPT. Now tell ChatGPT I would like to create a WhatsApp AI chatbot on my website, and whenever a person is click on the chatbot, I would like to redirect them on the given link below. Make sure to set a click animation on the WhatsApp whenever a person clicks on it, and a hover animation as well. And now what we need to do is get the WhatsApp. So what we're gonna search on the other part. So that's basically if I search, so WhatsApp send me message link. So if you search that on Google, you will head over to this WhatsApp help center. Now here, WhatsApp will give you a specific link that will, whenever you search that on Chrome, it will basically send the message to your number. So basically what we need to do is copy this URL. Now, if you can directly send this message like this, and after here, you can add a phone number of your own choice. But now over here, what I need to do is I would like to send a message away, like message included. So I'm going to use this one instead, and I will basically send a message. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to head over to ChatGPT. I want to tell ChatGPT this is the number. Now I will change my phone number over here that we actually just connected to our chatbot.ai. So we're going to use this phone number, Control V, and the text should be, hey, interested in your services, and when you click on send, an AI chatbot will be created with the help of WhatsApp. So this will literally give you the HTML code. So what you need to do is set the HTML code. Give the HTML code all together, not differently. And we'll send this to ChatGPT. And ChatGPT will give us the whole code for the WhatsApp chatbot. Now, before showing you, what I'm going to do is preview and actually show you that it actually works perfectly. Now, what we're going to do is copy the over here and then paste that code all the way in our page. So basically, if I go to updating CRM on this code to a landing page to see if this code and redirect the user to the website or not. So basically, I'm going to set it to landing page, set it as a paste your code over here, click on publish, select on landing page and preview, and you should be able to see the chatbot widget code all the way over here. And whenever a person clicks on it, it should be able to go to continue to chat and open WhatsApp, and we are able to set the message to the message. Hi, this is a business message, and this is how simple it is to actually connect, make an AI WhatsApp sales agent to be on your website. Now, if you'd like to add a message on top of this, you can just use ChatGPT to do that as well. So what you need to do is head over to ChatGPT, tell ChatGPT, I would like to add a pop-up message on top of the WhatsApp chatbot, which says, hi there, need any help to get instant answers? Give me the HTML code. Make sure it is responsive to all of the devices. And I'm going to send this basically. So, and ChatGPT just gave us the code. Awesome. And we're going to copy the code. We're going to head over to our landing page. I'm going to paste it over here. I'm going to preview this. And as you can see, hi there, need any help? It exactly works like butter that we actually want it to be. Now, if you paste this code on any website, HTML, it will be shown on your website working 24/7. Now, this is how simple to actually create a WhatsApp chatbot for your website that will redirect the user, and then the AI will sell your services and qualify them and then set up the message. Now, let's just test on how this system actually performs and works perfectly. And that's it. This is how simple to that how you can make an AI chatbot for your WhatsApp that qualify customers, and if they are qualified, they will send the booking link to the customers, and also it will sit on your website. So we created a widget for a website as well with the help of using ChatGPT, and also create a message on top of that. And that is it for the video. If you have any questions, go comment down in this comment section below. See you in the next one.